Have you ever wondered about the intricate language of tissue banking? Today we delve into the fascinating world of terms, beginning with the letter C. Our first vocabulary word is certified copy. This is relating to a death certificate, an original authenticated form produced by a governing authority. Next up, claim refers to any written or oral communication alleging the quality, durability, reliability, infectious disease risk, or performance of tissue. Cold ischemic time, C, refers to the time interval from subjecting cardiac tissue to cold rinse or transport solution at recovery to the beginning of disinfection. Cold ischemic time, V, refers to the time interval from subjecting vascular tissue to transport solution and wet ice temperatures at recovery to the beginning of disinfection. Collection is the acquisition of reproductive tissue from a donor or client depositor by surgical or non-surgical procedures. Colloid refers to a protein or polysaccharide solution that can be used to increase or maintain osmotic, oncotic pressure in the intravascular compartment, such as albumin, dextran, hetastarch, or certain blood components, such as plasma and platelets. Next we have competency, which in the context of tissue banking means the ability of an employee to acceptably perform tasks for which he or she has been trained. Competency assessment is the evaluation of the ability of an employee to acceptably perform tasks for which he/she has been trained and currently responsible. Complaint refers to any written, electronic, or oral communication concerning dissatisfaction with the identity, quality, packaging, durability, reliability, safety, effectiveness, or performance of tissue. Consignee is any tissue bank, tissue distribution intermediary, tissue dispensing service, or end user, whether individual, agency, institution, or organization, that receives finished tissue. Just to make sure you're paying attention, why did the processing technician bring a red pen to work? In case they needed to draw blood. Moving on, container is an enclosure for one finished unit of transplantable tissue. Remember, that's just one finished unit. Contract services are those functions pertaining to the recovery, screening, testing, processing, storage, and/or distribution of human tissue that another establishment agrees to perform. Controlled areas are restricted work areas of low microbial and particulate content in which non-sterile materials are prepared. A correction is related to conformity, remedial action to eliminate a detected nonconformity. Corrective action is action to eliminate the cause and prevent recurrence of a nonconformity or other undesirable situation, may be performed in conjunction with preventive action. Critical refers to classification of a supply, reagent, material, instrument, or equipment that can affect the quality and/or safety of tissue. Moving on to critical areas, which refers to restricted work areas where cells, tissue, containers, and/or closures are exposed to the environment. Then we have cross-contamination. The transfer of infectious agents from one tissue to another from either the same donor or a different donor. Cryopreserved is frozen with the addition of, or in a solution containing a cryoprotectant agent such as glycerol or dimethyl sulfoxide. Cryoprotectant is an additive that serves to minimize osmotic imbalances that occur with the progression of freezing fronts through a substance, and is intended to limit the amount of cell damage caused by cell shrinkage and intracellular ice formation. CRYSTALLOID is a balanced salt and/or glucose solution used for electrolyte replacement or to increase intravascular volume, such as saline solution, Ringer's lactate solution, or 5% dextrose in water or total parenteral nutrition, TPN. Lastly, decontamination is cleaning the environment, facilities and/or surfaces, sanitation, or instruments, supplies, and equipment, sanitization, with intent to remove or reduce pathogenic microbes. In summary, these terms from certified copy to decontamination form the foundation of tissue banking vocabulary. Each term carries significant importance in the field, shaping the way professionals navigate the complex world of tissue donation and transplantation. Remember, understanding the vocabulary is the first step to mastering any new subject.